how to make payment using Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make payments using Google Wallet on your Android phone. Whether you are shopping in store, online, or just using an app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, before you make any payments, make sure that your debit or credit card is already added to Google Wallet. If not, you can simply add the card to your Google Wallet. And here now, to pay in stores, simply turn on the NFC. So here, simply swipe down from the top, and from here, simply tap on the gear icon. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for NFC. And now here, simply tap on it, and here, make sure that this option is toggled on. And now, when you're ready to pay, just unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. And you don't even need to open the Google Wallet app. Your default card will automatically process the payment. And if prompted, you need to use fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock to authorize the payment. And here, when shopping online or in apps like Uber or DoorDash, here you can just choose Google Pay or Google Wallet as your payment method at checkout and confirm your selection. And after that, you're simply done with it. And that's it. That's how it is easy to make payments using Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.